Hey. Yeah, I'm excited. Can't wait to be back.
Welcome aboard our Swiss flight today. Please remove your headphones now for the following safety instructions. Your hand baggage must be placed in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. Do not stow any hand baggage at the emergency exits or in front of a bulkhead seat. Larger items such as laptops must be safely stowed during taxiing, takeoff, and landing. Smaller items such as tablets or phones must be safely secured in your hand or stowed away. All electronic devices must be unplugged from power outlets during taxiing, takeoff, and landing. Charging power banks, batteries, or e-cigarettes is prohibited. Please fasten your seatbelt now as we prepare for takeoff. To open it, lift the buckle. If your seat has a shoulder belt and you are taller than 1.30 m or 4'3", you must fasten it for taxiing, takeoff, and landing. Secure infants with the infant belt, which will be provided by your cabin crew. Whenever the fasten seatbelt sign is on, the lavatories may not be used. As turbulence can occur unexpectedly, you must keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. If your electronic device is damaged, overheats, emits smoke, or is lost in your seat, do not move the seat and alert the cabin crew immediately. Smoking and vaping, including the use of e-cigarettes and all smoking devices or alternatives, are strictly prohibited on board. This includes the lavatories, which are fitted with smoke detectors. In the unlikely event that cabin pressure is lost, oxygen masks will be released automatically. If a red strap appears, pull it down to reach your mask. Pull the mask towards your face and cover your nose and mouth. Then help children and other passengers. In case of impact on land or water, position yourself as shown on the screen and on the safety instructions card. In case of an evacuation, follow the illuminated escape path markings. The emergency exits are identified by exit signs and are located as shown on the screen and on the safety instructions card. Check your closest exit now. It may be behind you. You must leave all your hand baggage behind and remove any high heels to avoid damaging the slides. In the event of a water landing, the evacuation slides will serve as rafts. For the exact location of your life jacket, please see the safety instructions card in your seat pocket. Pull the life jacket over your head and fasten the strap. Do not inflate it until you leave the aircraft. To inflate your life jacket, pull on the red tag. If it does not inflate or if it needs more air, blow through the rubber tube. Your safety instructions card shows the various procedures and the use and location of the safety equipment. Please study it carefully prior to takeoff. We will soon be ready for departure. For takeoff and landing, please ensure that the back of your seat is in a fully upright position. Your leg rest is in its original position, your table, video handset, and screen are stowed away, and the window blinds are open. We would like to remind you that only alcohol served by the cabin crew may be consumed on board. Unruly behavior will not be tolerated and may be prosecuted. For your safety, crew instructions must be followed at all times, and all cabin signs must be adhered to. For further information, please contact your cabin crew. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your flight.